What's going on, everyone? We are back. Everything seems to be going good. We have volume, we have sound. Happy Wednesday. Yes, today is Wednesday. Hope you're having a great day. Hope your week is going well. Welcome back to the Unconventional Mindset. This is a live stream where every day we get together and we just work and figure out piece by piece how we can build ourselves a company that is going to generate us $1 million in revenue every single year. And of course, that company in question is Pixel Media, which is a Canadian corporation which focuses and specializes in building websites and doing search engine optimization. And what we're going to do today is we're going to get back into some Webflow stuff, and we're going to work on our little component library thing that we have here, which is going to need some kind of organization or something like that. But why we want to create this is so that whenever we're making new websites or websites for clients or what have you, we can just take these sections, these kind of component sections, and just cut and paste and then put them into our new sites. So that's it. That's the component library. That's what we're working on, and we're going to get to it. Unfortunately today, of course, things are super busy. I only have 30 minutes. So we're just going to kind of get right into it and start doing some work in Webflow, which is really unfortunate because 30 minutes is not a lot of time to kind of get into things. Okay, so I think we left off last time is we worked on some footers. And let's get some volume there with music. Yeah, we did some footers and we did some footer links here. And I wonder if should we do more? What other kind of component pieces might we want to have? I mean, we got contact forms, we got blog. Let's do a hero section. You could always use a hero section. So where do we want to put this? Right below. All right, a component section. I think we want an H2. This is hero. So how do we want to do the hero? Oh, okay, then pixel component. Okay. Pixel component here. Just trying to think about how I did footers. Okay. And let's say first hero section. So this one, we're gonna have two. Let's start with a basic hero section. Hero. We can have the content, and then this one. We can have the image. Oh. One image. So let's just say welcome to Pixel. Let's give it a text block. Subheading. Insert your short hero tagline here. And then we want a call to action button. And do we just call this button? Actually, let me look at our buttons here for a second. Yes. Button and then reverse. So let's go back. Oh, page. So button and then let's reverse. This one would be something like sign up. Okay, let's put these. I think it's Shift Enter, Control Enter. No, what's the Control Enter? What are we gonna call this one? Hero. Call to action. Maybe. Okay. And then the image. What should we do for the image? I guess we can just... Okay, let's get a better image. But, okay, so we have the image. So this one, I think we're going to want to display it as a grid. We want to get a good space gap in between. Maybe something like 5. Oh. No, we would just want one row. And then with also the grid, let's align everything to the middle. Actually, no. Hang on. That's not what we want. We want this one. Yes. We'll have that one. We'll align that one in the middle. So we'll just keep it at that. So this is a very standard, very generic hero section. Should we do about the spacing here? Let's put the call to action. Let's lay it out for flex. And then we'll give it our gap. That'll help us when we go into mobile. If it's displayed flex, we can change that when it's we can change it to horizontal instead of vertical when we go on to the mobile mode. Okay. So I'm thinking now if I should wrap the heading and the subheading in its own little wrapper so I can give it a proper margin, or so I can give it a margin. We don't want to get too complicated in all of our classes. By hero 1, just heading. Could go just right here. See, I don't want to apply any kind of styling. Because depending on fonts and everything, it's going to change. The spacing. I wonder if I should just leave it like this. Yeah, I think we'll just leave that as that for now. And what else could we do? I want to do another blog. It's got this grid 4. I had that here with the style guide, right? I'm just thinking if it's wise to have classes that are only going to be relevant if you have the style guide. Now, I think when you cut and paste something from one Webflow project to another, you are going to be importing all the styles associated with all those elements. But I don't think you're going to get the whole style sheet of all the elements within the actual project itself. So if that's the case, then I don't know if it makes too much sense to have the components have styles associated with this style guide. And what I mean by that is this Pi blog one, this whole blog here, which is going to be a 4-column blog, has this style of grid 4 associated with it. But if somebody's just going to cut and paste this into their project, then having that grid 4 in there might not be ideal. It might be better to just have that Pi blog, that class, have the grid associated on itself, not in a combo class. That's what I'm thinking. But those are little details. I think those little details I can kind of figure out how to work out at a later point in time. I guess, / hope. All right. No, I don't want to rename. Okay. Now we're going to do another blog item. Actually, we're going to make this a 2-column grid. And I should find a way to put some kind of a differentiator between each I know. Between each item. I could go in this component here and I'll just add a heading. Just H3. This is blog 1. Just maybe the name of the component. Copy that into here. Blog 2. Okay, so this image, it's gonna be forced to be to conform to the minimum height of, or to the height of its parent container, this image here, and it's fit to cover. Okay, that makes sense. So, but let's change this. Blog meta. Yeah, this is going to be all different. Because what this actually needs to be. Blog layout 2. And then grid 2. Okay, so I wanted to have the so basically what I want to have for this one so for this one I want to have the title, then the image, then the excerpt. Well, do we want to keep the publication date? Yeah, maybe we can put the publication date right at the top. Yeah, this has some styling associated with it. Yeah, and the excerpt, and then the button. Yeah, that works. Well, sort of. Just need to get so pi blog layout 2 publication date. Image container. So our width, of course, is going to be 100%, but the height, say this is going to be 250 pixels. Maybe a little bit bigger. Let's say 300. Then the excerpt, and then the read more. And this could actually just all go out of here. So we don't need this. What is this empty thing? Blog meta. And delete this one. There we go. Grid 2, not very much space in between. I feel like we have to add more spacing in between these grids. Well, they are more for utility, so. Oh, where am I going? Oh, are you freezing on me? Oh, there we go. And then if somebody wants to take this and style it completely differently, whether they want to put it as like a tag or whatever, I think there's lots of different ways that that can be done. Actually, you know what we'll also add? Oh, I gotta add it here too. Actually, well, let's just do this. Layout 2, publication category. So, you know, that could be, yeah, like post category. There we go. Copy and paste. Excellent. Oh, excuse me. So I know another one that I'm going to want for blogs, and that, let's just copy and paste this one. This is going to be blog 3. And basically, I want something super, super simple. No image. And just the content. So we can have this. The publication date, category, the title, and the excerpt. And then a read more. Let's put 3 of them together. So very simple. That works. Now there's another thing that I'm thinking here. This is called Hero 1. Hero 2. So for this one, I'm thinking of a full, should we do it the full page? With like the background image. How should we do this? Hero 2. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so Pi Hero 2. So we're gonna have, yeah, I think. want to do it through here. I wonder. Image, video, background video. So what we can do, let's go. Let's say pi hero to background. So we want this to be 100% and 100% of the containing area. And then let's just delete this so I can see. Oh, it's not deleting. So this background, actually we're going to have to position this one relative. And this one is absolute. It's going to cover the whole thing. And we're going to give it a background image of our furry friend here. We want to cover it. And okay, this isn't right. Okay, there we go. Z index of like -1. And then we have the hero content. So this will need a certain amount of padding. I mean, let's just... And we might want to make that full width, but it's good for now. Go pi to hero content. And no. No, I think if we just center everything, we'll be good to go. And this one, of course, needs to be justified this way. But that's... Pi hero to call to action again. We're going to flex it, just something like this. So this is if you want to have a full page image. There's other ways to do it. I wonder. Yeah, we'll keep it like that for now. It could be, there's lots of different ways. So if you're going to want it full width, the person is going to need to know, and this is where it could come with documentation. But whatever the parent element is here, like this hero, this background image is going to span 100%, right? So if this hero here is, like if we just do it right now, 100. Oh, it's also, VH, V width, right? So that'll be full, but of course there's just weird padding stuff going on, which is why it's not at 100, but it should be like if this, because this thing here has what has padding? There's other things here that have paddings and margins or whatever, which is causing things to be disrupted, like in this pixel pieces, right? Like if that goes to 0 there, see how that's full width. And then this isn't centered either, which actually I should have a look at. Why are you not centered? Because you just have 10 and 10, right? Because I put that specific padding in there, right? So yeah, easy enough to change depending on what your use case is going to be. Okay, so shoot. It is already, what time is it? It is already 3:30. It's been half an hour, so unfortunately I have to run. So 30 minutes of progress, not much could be done, but hey, we did get like 3 sections done, so that's not so bad. 3 things that we could easily cut and paste in our next project. So we're gonna keep plugging away on this, and I'm gonna try to, again, from yesterday and the past couple of days, I'm really trying to figure out my scheduling and my time management here, so that I could spend more time doing the work that I need to do to grow the business, right? And to work on my Webflow library, because it's something that's going to be super important the more I move along here. And as soon as I start getting more and more clients, then it's going to be more critical that I have something like this built and ready to go, so I can start building as quickly as possible. All right, guys, that is going to be it for me. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you're hustling away and grinding away at your business, making it work. And I have no doubt that if you keep plugging away, that you'll get there. So if I can do it, you certainly can do that. Can do it as well too. All right. Thanks for watching. See you here tomorrow for, I don't know, Thirsty Thursdays. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but we will be back here tomorrow with a brand new live stream. All right. Until then, have a good one, and we'll see you then.